In every ecosystem, something sits or swims atop the food chain. Here, it's Carcharodon carcharias. At 18 feet and 4,000 pounds, the great white shark need only fear humans. It is a 400-million-year-old masterpiece of engineering. Its skin isn't slick or slimy. Tiny tooth-like scales cover the shark's body, cutting through the water in ghostly silence. Its sense of smell stands supreme, honing in on an injured fish or sea lion colony miles away. Sensory organs along its body detect minute vibrations in the water. We have 5 senses. A shark has 7. The great white's list of skills borders on the miraculous, but it's not the only ancient mariner in the Sea of Cortez. Sea turtles are among the greatest endurance swimmers on Earth. Some travel 10,000 miles a year. This green sea turtle has picked up hitchhikers along the way. At 5 feet and 400 pounds, it's safe from all but the largest sharks or killer whales. There are 7 species of marine turtles. 6 of them nest on Baja's beaches, returning to the very place they were hatched 50 years earlier. These reptiles were once so abundant, Spanish explorers joked they could walk from island to island without touching the water. Today, only 10% of the world's sea turtles remain. For 1,000 times 1,000 years and more, Baja has hosted the greatest show on Earth. A comb jelly flashes a rainbow of color, sunlight reflected from the oar-like hairs paddling it through the water. At one time, scientists thought sponges were the oldest life forms. New DNA research suggests comb jellies may have evolved first, more than 500 million years ago. The bizarrely beautiful mola mola, or ocean sunfish, is also a voracious jellyfish eater. Mature at 11 feet and 2,000 pounds, they are the heaviest bony fish in the ocean. The mola mola may not win any beauty contests, but it is deceptively powerful. They can launch 10 feet out of the water, knocking parasites off their skin. The humpback whale's song is the most complex in the animal kingdom. Only the males sing, likely looking for a mate. In the right conditions, their ballad can be heard 10,000 miles away. More species of whales migrate to Baja to feed, give birth, or mate than anywhere else on the planet. Creatures here don't just fill a role assigned by nature. They can learn to cooperate. Striped marlin have driven a school of sardine up from the deep, trapping them on the surface. The fish head for shore. Sea lions cut them off at every turn. The carnivores have them surrounded. The sardine's last line of defense is the bait ball, a dazzling vortex of fish. Measuring in at 10 feet and 400 pounds, striped marlin can hit 50 miles per hour. Only its cousin, the mighty sail